Hello everybody, this is Jim Ashby. I'm going to be creating tutorial videos, two of them. The first one will show you how to create your author contribution page. That's the page on which you'll maintain links to all your author contributions. This will be important because you'll include that link whenever you make a contribution, and it will allow people to find everything that you've posted. It'll make more sense here in a minute. So let's create your author contribution page. And this is done through template. So go to select template. Now, templates, they're not really used per se. They're more for just copying the content from. So all we really want to do is not submit a template, but merely to go into it, copy it, and then cancel out of it. So we got three templates here. We want the second one, author template. This is one that creates your author contribution page, and it is used just once. Okay, so click on author template. Okay, and there's the author template. Now, I'm an administrator, so I'll see, when I click on the ellipse menu, I'll see this option called edit. You're not going to see that, or at least I don't think you will. You should see suggest edits. So you click on that, suggest edits, I'll click on edit. Okay, and that will bring up the content of the template here in the text entry box right here. Just click anywhere in the text entry box. And then you want to select all the content. You can do that with Control A, or you can right click and choose select all. With all the content selected, you now want to copy it. So you can press Control C or right click, copy. Now, with the content copied to memory, you want to cancel out. You don't want to make any changes, nothing permanent, no changes at all, as a matter of fact. So just cancel out. Now you want to create a page, and you do that by adding a post. Okay, so go up here and click Write Post. Okay, here's the text entry box. Click anywhere inside, right here where it says Add a Post. Now you want to paste that template that you have in memory. So press Control V or right click, paste. Okay, so this template, what it does is supply the page layout for you, everything that you need. And the only thing that you need to do now is put in your content or your information, stuff that only you can provide. So in this case, the content will be a short blurb about yourself. This is your author contribution page. So put a little blurb about yourself. I'm just gonna put in something short. I'm an aspiring author, hoping to improve enough to be published. Okay, that's good enough. Now you'll see another bracketed field here. Literary license contributions by your name here. Replace this with your name. Now this is important, very important. Your name must be spelled exactly as it shows throughout Quora. Now, I've already got a page, so I'm going to make up a name. We'll say, I don't know, Leslie Lester. I don't know. Now here and below that, you'll see the beginning of a list, and in brackets we see begin list of links here. Well, we don't have a contribution yet, so we're just going to leave this like it is. And one last thing to do, the title. Now this is the most important thing of all. The title has to be your name exactly as it appears throughout Quora. The reason for that is that the title of your author contribution page will be how people will find you. So of course that needs to be your name. If they want to find your contributions, read what you've written, they'll just put in the basic literary license.quora.com and then add slash and your name. Actually your name hyphenated, because there's no spaces. Hyphens represent spaces. So in the title you want to put your name. Now my name is Leslie Lester. Okay, so we can't put a link here for the contribution list, so we'll leave that as it is, and we're done creating the author contribution page. So click post, and there's the beginning of the author's contribution page. In the next video tutorial, we'll show you how to use the post template to post contributions you make to the blog. Once we make a contribution to the blog, we'll be able to come back and fill in the list with your first contribution. So let's go ahead and create, or never mind, that's for the next lesson. That's it. I hope that was clear enough, and check out the second lesson.